students. This is continuation of my previous video on matrices. Today we will discuss sums on determinants. It's most important for 7 marks long answer question. The first question is, if determinant of a square 1 plus a cube, b square 1 plus b cube, c square 1 plus c cube is equal to 0, and determinant of a square 1, b square 1, c square 1 is not equal to 0, then show that ABC is equal to minus 1. Then show that ABC is equal to minus 1. So here given a square 1 plus a cube, b square 1 plus b cube, c square 1 plus c cube. This value is 0, and determinant of ABC a square b square c square 1 1 1 not equal to 0. We have to prove ABC is equal to minus 1. Then given determinant of a square 1 plus a cube, b square 1 plus b cube, c square 1 plus c cube is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. From this, it can be written as a sum of two matrices. That means a square 1, b square 1, c square 1, c square 1 plus a square a cube, b square b cube. Third row is c square c cube is equal to 0, which implies a square 1 can split into two matrices, b square 1, c square 1 plus, from first row a is a common and b is the common from second row, c is a common from third row. Now take a into b into c as common. A is a common from first row and b is common from second row, c is a common from third row. Now remaining matrix is a is common 1a square. Now second row will be 1b square. Third row is 1c square is equal to 0, which implies first matrix is same, a square 1, b square 1, c square 1 plus abc of here we have to interchange the columns. That means C2 interchanging C3, C2 interchanging C3. If two rows or two columns are interchanged, then sign of determinant will be changes. Sign of determinant changes. Then it will be minus. First column is same. First column is 1 1 1, and here interchanging C2 and C3. Then third column is in second column, a square, b square, c square. Second column is in third column, a, b, c is equal to 0. Because first matrix already given into question, a square 1, b square 1, c square 1 not equal to 0. That's why we have to interchange only second matrix. Implies a square 1, b square 1, c square 1 plus abc of minus. Again we have to interchange. Here first column is ABC. Here first column is 1 1 1. Here ABC first column is 1 1 1, and second column same from both matrices. Now we have to interchange C1 and C3. C1 and C3. C1 interchanging C3. Then again it will be minus here. Now third column is in first column ABC. Second column is same, a square, b square, c square, and first column is in third column, 1, 1, 1 is equal to 0. So here a square 1, b square 1, c square 1, a square 1, b square 1, c square 1. Both matrices are same here, which implies determinant of a square 1, b square 1, c square 1 plus ABC, here minus of minus plus into determinant of, again same matrix, a square 1, b square 1, c square 1 is equal to 0. From this, here common matrix is a square 1, b square 1, c square 1. Taking this matrix as common, a square 1, b square 1, c square 1 as common, then will be 1 plus ABC is equal to 0. 1 plus ABC is equal to 0. But since a square 1, b square 1, c square 1 is not equal to 0, since a square 1, b square 1, c square 1 is not equal to 0, then it must be 0. Then 1 plus ABC is equal to 0. From this, ABC is equal to minus 1. ABC is equal to minus 1, hence 4. It's very important for 7 marks. Already it has come in 2020 March also. 2020 March. Long answer question. Next LIQ is, show that it is also important for 7 marks. Show that a plus b plus 2c, a plus b plus 2c, a, b, c, b plus c plus 2a, b, third row is c, a, c plus a plus 2b, which is equal to 2 of a plus b plus c whole cube. 2 of a plus b plus c whole cube. Now the solution is, given determinant is a plus b plus 2c, a, b, c, b plus c plus 2a, b, c, a, c plus a plus 2b, c plus a plus 2b, which implies we have to prove 2 of a plus b plus c whole square. So nothing but we have to add all columns, that is C1 interchanging C1 plus C2 plus C3. Why? Because a plus b plus 2c plus a plus b, then a plus a 2a, b plus b 2b plus 2c. You get the 2 of a plus b plus c. So we have to interchange C1 from C1 plus C2 plus C3 implies the C1, first column, a plus b plus 2c plus a plus b, means a plus a 2a, b plus b 2b, 2a plus 2b plus 2c. Now second row is c plus c 2c, b plus b 2b plus 2a, that is 2a plus 2b plus 2c. Here also same, c plus a plus c plus a plus 2b, is a plus a 2a plus 2b plus 2c, 2a plus 2b plus 2c. Remaining two columns are same, a, b plus c plus 2a, a, b, b, c plus a plus 2b. Here the common term is 2a plus 2b plus 2c, 2a plus 2b plus 2c, 2a plus 2b plus 2c. Total 2 of a plus b plus c as common. 2 of a plus b plus c is a common from first column. The remaining term will be 1, 1, 1. Remaining two columns are same, a, b plus c plus 2a, a, b, B C plus A plus 2B. These two, to get these two 0, then we are applying R2 interchanging R2 minus R3. Then 1 minus 1 0, 2A minus AA. Again R3 interchanging R3 minus R1. Then 1 minus 1 0, A minus 1 0. So which implies 2 of A plus B plus C, 2 of A plus B plus C into determinant of first row is same 1AB 1AB. Now from second row R2 interchanging R2 minus R3, R2 interchanging R2 minus R3, minus minus minus, we have to subtract these two. 1 minus 1 0, B plus C plus 2A minus A. Get B plus C plus A. Next B minus of this thing, B minus of C plus A plus 2B is B minus C minus A minus 2B. It is minus A minus B minus C. Next third row R3 interchanging R3 minus R1, 1 minus 1 0, A minus A 0, C plus A plus 2B minus B, C plus A plus 2B minus B. We get C plus A plus 2B minus B, B, which implies 2 of A plus B plus C, 2 of A plus B plus C into 1AB. Second row is 0 B plus C plus A. Here minus A minus B minus C, taking minus as common, A plus B plus C. Next 0 0 C plus A plus B, C plus A plus B, which implies 2 of A plus B plus C. Again what is the common here? B plus C plus A plus B plus C. So A plus B plus C is common from second row and A plus B plus C is also common from third row. So here A plus B plus C, here A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C into A plus B plus C, A plus B whole square. Whole square of A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C whole cube into determinant of 1AB 0. It is a common, then it will be 1. Here minus 1, 0, 0, 1. Which implies 2 of A plus B plus C whole cube into, now determinant of 3 by 3 matrix. Determinant of 3 by 3 matrices. 1 of 1 into cofactor of 1. 1 minus 0. 1 minus A of 0 minus 0, 0 plus B into 0 minus 0, 0. Implies 2 of A plus B plus C whole cube. Here 1 minus 0. So 2 into A plus B plus C whole cube into 1 is 2 of A plus B plus C whole cube is equal to RHS. Hence proved.